walking. She only has 3, and the hind leg is not there. Come here. Don't go inside there. Come here. Just walk there. Oh, see, the hind leg is. Where you are going? Come here. Yeah, that's your. Yes, walk, Baba. Come on, baby. Nini. Hello. See? Don't go inside. Don't hide. Come on. Yes, here only. Where are you? See how she walks. I actually don't know what is your sex, your gender. Are you female or a male? Tuta! Oh. Shh! Chaka! Be gentle, Mama. Alright, where you are going now? Come here, Baba. She's playing. Come on. Shh. No. Where are you? Hide and seek? She's really a cutie. Oh, come on, Mama. Come on, Mama. Mama. That, not there. No, come here. Shh. She's also 3 legs off. See? Come here. There, you meet your 3 legs. Same tripod. Hello. Meet your auntie. Oh. Coco, what's wrong, Coco? Huh? You cannot accept? Chaka. Lucio. See the baby, oh. Be careful, ha? Be careful. Ups, Chaka. No. Come on, baby. They are. Come, Daddy. Come, little cutie. I know you want to play. I will give you time later. Come on.